Sabi ko kasi nung nagtanong ako, is Kalingap, no, doing poverty porn? So ang ginagawa ba in Tagalog, ang ginagawa ba ng Kalingap ay poverty porn? Ayon sa ating Philippine law, nakalagay doon sa tanong ko. So sumagot yung Gemini. Ang sabi ng Gemini dito, no, based on Philippine law, Kalingap is not legally committing poverty porn. Nako, ayaw ng mga pulis to. Ayaw ng mga pulis to, guys. Crime under countries because poverty porn is not defined. Wala, hindi pala define yun. Hindi pala define yung poverty porn. Hala. So, it's not defined, no? Ayan, no? Poverty porn is not defined, no? Ayan, no? Poverty porn is not defined. Crime under the country's penal system in the Philippines. An act cannot be penalized unless there is a specific statute forbidding it. So, may kailangan palang specific statute, guys. Tingnan nyo, because the term poverty porn is an ethical and sociological concept rather than statutory offense. Ano ba yung mga statutory offense, guys? Ang mga statutory offense, yung mga rape, child abuse, yung mga binubugbog, yung mga battered children. Kalingap's core model of filming the poor for views and digital revenue remains completely legal on paper. Puntahan nyo sa inquirer.net. No, ayan, no. However, pero may however, guys. Whether their actions violate other broader child welfare and human rights laws remains in critical gray area. So, nasa gray area. The applicable laws are evaluated below. Nandito daw yung mga guys, yung mga applicable laws. Puntaan natin yung mga applicable laws. Kasi alam ko binasa din naman dito ni ang tawag dito ni Attorney Libayan. Eto, puntahan natin, ha. Ang sabi dito, no? The legal status of poverty porn, of poverty porn, no statutory definition. The revised penal code and special penal laws do not recognize or define poverty porn. Ito yung mga specific. The obscenity standard. So, anong klaseng mga obscene publication yung mga pwede daw o merong tinatawag na under ng batas natin. So, ito daw, no? Under Article 201, the revised penal code, pornography. So, yun yung specific, guys. So, hindi porkit nagpakita ka, no? Ng mukha ng batang minor sa video, obscene na yon. Obscene publication na yon. Ito, indecency or lasciviousness exhibition. Ayan. Yan yung mga pwede. Broadcaster video showing poor living conditions, weeping families, or dilapidated homes do not meet this legal standard. Ano yung sabi? Showing. Ito, video showing poor living conditions, weeping families, or dilapidated homes do not meet this legal standard of obscenity.
Ganon.
Hindi porket nagpapakita ka ng kahirapan daw ng mga bata is maituturing na obscene publication.
Ganon.
Oh. Meaning, it cannot be prosecuted as pornography.
Ganon.
Gusto nyo pa?